Before starting my tutorial, let's introduce Study Planner itself, including its features and benefits. There are some benefits on the planner. For example, dark or light mode is supported using Apple system settings. Intuitive interface. No app is required. Free forever. It supports IPv6 networks. And it has English and Chinese versions, since I'm a Chinese student. While I'm studying, I take my free time to make this app to help me plan my study easily. It is completely free, and this is similar to volunteering. Now, I'm going to teach you how to set up and initialize your planner. The first step is to open your browser and the Study Planner website, planner.canstudyjourney.com, which is in the description below. Then choose the language at the top. Then click the Sign Up button at the bottom to sign up for an account. Read the privacy notice carefully and then click Agree and Continue button. Fill in your details such as email address, password, and name or nickname. Then check your email inbox and fill in your verification code, then click Sign Up. After that, click the Sign In button and sign into your account. You will need to set up and fill in your daily goals, projects, books, events, schedules, and checklists. First, you need to fill in your daily goals. Click Daily Goals on the sidebar. Then click Set or Modify Goals. Fill in your daily goals for this month, then click Submit. You can refer to my daily goals on my website. There is the link in the description down below. To make your goals achievable, you can start with the lowest amount. Then you can increase them every month. You can fill in some emojis throughout the planner if you want. You need to set daily goals every month, and you can adjust them when necessary. You can continue to use the goals last month, and then adjust them. Then you can fill in your projects, such as your homework or EBQ projects, for some books you have been reading. Fill in the names and the dates of internal and external deadlines. You also can fill in the total pages or questions in advance. Similarly, you can add some books using a similar way, filling the internal deadline, external deadline, and the number of pages. Then you can fill in your events, such as exams, competitions, and activities. If you need to edit an item, just click a card to edit. There is a special feature on the study planner that counts and displays the days left until your next exam or event. It is similar to calendar, but you can use both planner and calendar simultaneously. The days with special events are indicated with different dots. A new feature on my planner is the schedule and lessons feature. Just fill in the time and name. If it is a lesson, you can take the checkbox to make sure it is displayed on the Lessons tab. It displays the next event and the lesson based on your schedule. This is similar to the announcement on the underground, like the next lesson is mathematics. As you can see, your next lesson or event is highlighted on both schedule and lessons tabs. You need to set up your schedule literally from Monday to Sunday, but you can reuse other days' schedule using the drop-down box on the top and then modify it. By the way, you can glance at your lessons in the next few days on the Lessons tab. The last initialization step is to fill in the checklists. Fill in the name, like morning routine, items checklist for going to school, and the items. Again, you can use emojis at anywhere on the planner. After setting up your planner, you need to use it on a daily basis to track your study progress. You can see your status immediately on the homepage. In the new version, the colors change according to your situation. Every evening before sleeping, you need to fill in whether you have achieved your daily goals. At the end of each month, or at any time, you can use the monthly summary feature to view your achievement rate for each goal. Remember, you need to set your goals every month. You can see your upcoming projects on the Projects and Reading Tracker page, as well as the progress bars. Projects with less than 7 days left will be marked as orange, and projects with less than 3 days left will be marked as red. Then you can see the calendar and the days left until your next exam, competition, and activity on the Events page. You also can check your schedule and lessons. The current event or lesson is highlighted in blue or green. Use the checklist when you are packing bags and luggage or completing morning and evening routines. Tick the boxes and it will be automatically saved to my servers in real time. You can just click Reset checkboxes to create the ticks. You can simultaneously use the planner on multiple devices, like laptop, iPad, and phone, and open the checklists. They are synchronized in real time. You also can toggle the dark mode at the bottom of the menu. On some devices, if you choose autumn, it will use your system settings. In order to enhance your account security, you also can enable two-factor authentication in your account in settings. You can use email and Google Authenticator as your authentication methods. This is optional, but it can enhance your account security. You also can enable login email reminders and match your login devices. In addition, you can change the calendar start date between Sunday and Monday in settings. These are the tutorial for using my study planner. I hope you can use it and boost your productivity and time management skills at planner.canstudyjourney.com. If you want to boost your time management skills, reduce procrastination and sign up today for free. Once you have set up your planner, you will significantly boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. If you have any questions or suggestions, or you are experiencing bugs or issues, you can comment down below. You can also visit my website canstudyjourney.com to get more study tips. See you at the next video. Bye.